In this week's court report, a man wanted for murder in North Carolina who was tracked all the way to Pahrump using the GPS signal in his cell phone appeared in a local court this morning. 28-year-old Matthew Benner was arrested early Monday morning at the Best Western on Highway 160. He was asleep in his vehicle and taken into custody without incident after Nye County Sheriff's Office dispatch was advised of a wanted murder suspect believed to be in this area. NCSO deputies say they interviewed and obtained a confession from the suspect. Benner reportedly killed 27-year-old Amanda Strauss in her apartment in Charlotte, North Carolina on Saturday and stood outside her apartment with blood on his hands, telling neighbors not to enter, then fled when he heard police sirens. Police and investigators believe Benner set the victim's apartment on fire after killing the bride-to-be, who was his neighbor. There's no word yet on a possible motive, although News 46 conducted a brief in-custody interview with Benner today at the Nye County Detention Center.
Can you talk at all about your relationship with Amanda? Yes, we're local news here in Pahrump. Can we see you for a second at least? Hello? Yeah.
Although Benner declined to comment in detail, he did tell our news team that he does not have legal representation at this time. However, Benner's brother, Christopher Benner, is an attorney in Las Vegas. Benner also has other ties to Las Vegas because the murder suspect worked for a time as a GED tutor at the College of Southern Nevada and worked for an aviation defense simulation and security systems company based in Las Vegas. It was determined in today's court proceedings that seeking officials have 20 days to extradite Benner. The accused signed a waiver of extradition in court this morning. There will be no new court date regarding this matter, only an internal status to make sure Benner was extradited. The Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department immediately made arrangements to fly to Nevada. Local court reps say if they do not pick Benner up 20 days from now, he'll be released. The Pahrump man who filed a complaint against former and current Nye County law enforcement officials regarding his seized laptop and pornographic videos found on it as part of an investigation into that suspect's alleged possible criminal activity was scheduled for a status hearing Wednesday for a separate case in which he's facing statutory charges. Jason Gall was rearrested after his failure to appear in court on Wednesday, and court clerks say Gall remains in custody for 2 misdemeanor traffic warrants. Gall has charges pending for statutory rape, allegedly of his ex-girlfriend Eunette Bell's sister, Priscilla, who is now Gall's wife. Gall is also seeking damages in excess of $10,000 for each of the 5 counts in his complaint against Nye County, a total of $50,000 due to reported severe emotional distress. There's no update on either of those cases. Nevertheless, Gall is scheduled for a pretrial hearing on July 7th. This has been your Eunette.